Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a cohort-based program in FreshLearn. To begin, navigate to the Products section. Next, select Courses and click on Create Course. Choose Start Building Manually to begin setting up your course. Select the Cohort option for your course type. Enter a title and description for your cohort program. Set the start date and end date for your cohort. Specify the number of participants for your cohort. Upload a thumbnail image for your course. Once finished, click Save Changes. Now, you can add chapters to your cohort. Click Edit on Chapter 1 to get started. Here, you can choose to add an in-person, virtual, or Zoom meeting link. For this example, I'll add a virtual meeting link. Next, select the meeting start at and end time. After entering these details, publish the chapter. You can add more chapters in the same way. You can include different content types: video, audio, documents, embedded content, or quizzes. Assignments are also available. Now, I'll demonstrate how to add a video chapter. Select your video file. Here, I'm using a pre-recorded video. Once uploaded, click Publish. Your video is now part of the chapter. Continue adding chapters and modules as needed, following the same steps. When your content is ready, go to Pricing and click Add Plan. Choose a pricing option: free, one-time payment, or recurring. For this example, I'll select free and click Save. Your pricing plan is now set. Next, publish your cohort program. You'll receive a link to your cohort. Copy this link and open it in a new browser tab. This is the checkout page where members can enroll in your cohort program. I'll enroll in the cohort. Since I'm already a member, the page prompts me to log in. I click Login Now and then sign in to access my cohort. On my member dashboard, I can see the cohort I enrolled in. I simply click on it to continue. To attend the class, I click Join. After finishing, I select Mark as Complete. FreshLearn also offers cohort reports. Let me show you how to access these as an admin. First, go to the Report section and select Cohort Attendance. Here, you can view total cohort attendance, organized by product and date. Click on the specific cohort you want to review. In the reports, you can see details like how many people completed Chapter 1. For example, if the completion rate is 100%, click to view more information. You'll find member emails, enrollment dates, and attendance records. That's how cohort reporting works in FreshLearn. Thank you for watching.